I come in. Good morning.
Good morning, young lady. Is your mother in?
My mother? I am the mother in the house. What do you want?
Dust.
Dust?
Yes, madam, dust.
I haven't got any dust.
Oh, yes, you have.
Hey,
All over your carpet.
hey, have you cleaned the carpet? What are you putting all over it?
Don't worry, madam. I've got the answer to all your problems here. The Superlative vacuum cleaner.
The Superlative vacuum cleaner? Why is it called the Superlative?
Because, madam, everything about it is superlative. It is the quickest, the cleanest, the smallest, the smartest, the most economical, the most beautiful, the most effective, the most revolutionary vacuum cleaner in the world. And it's only 65 pounds.
Are you trying to sell me a vacuum cleaner?
Yes, madam.
Well, go on then.
I finished, madam.
Finish it? You have that very much well sort of vacuum cleaner? Settlements, are you?
Not a very good one, I'm afraid.
I can't send that.
No, madam, I'm a very bad salesman. In fact, I'm the worst vacuum cleaner salesman in our company.
The worst?
The worst. I sometimes think I'm the worst salesman in the world.
Oh, there. Do you like your job?
I like my job.
Yes.
I detest my job. It is the most boring job in the world. Every day is the same. Good morning, young lady. Is your mother in? The Superlative vacuum cleaner. The cleanest, the quickest, the smallest, the cheapest.
Well, it's the quickest.
No, probably it is the slowest.
The cleanest?
Cleanest? Don't make me laugh. I don't think there is a dirtier vacuum cleaner on the market, and it certainly isn't the cheapest either.
No. This is not good at all.
Excuse me?
Look, do you want the vacuum cleaner or don't you?
I suppose so.
Very well. Your sales technique is our work.
Is it?
Yes. I could sell the vacuum cleaner better than you.
No, you couldn't.
Yes, I could. I showed you vacuum cleaner in the house and I rang the bell and sent the vacuum cleaner to you.
You try to sell the vacuum cleaner to me?
Yes.
Okay, alright. But it isn't as easy as you think.
Well, say. Go inside and shoot the door.
Alright.
Shoot the door.
Not today, thank you. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
My goodness me, what a beautiful you got.
Oh, do you like it?
Like it is the most beautiful house I've been saw for a long time.
Thank you very much.
May I come in?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh wow, colorful view carpet.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's the most colorful carpet I've said you ask. I sure think it's the one very expensive.
It's the most expensive one in the shop.
And I suppose you got a very good vacuum cleaner to look after it.
Vacuum cleaner? No, I haven't.
You haven't got a vacuum cleaner.
No.
Well, madam, this is your lucky day. Because I haven't there the best vacuum cleaner that money can buy, the Superlative vacuum cleaner.
Is it very good?
Good? Good? is the
Quickest.
the quickest, the
The cleanest.
the cleanest, the sharpest, the smallest, the smartest, the most economical, the most effective, the most beautiful, the most revolutionary vacuum cleaner in the world.
Oh, how much is it?
Use 65,000 pounds to your month.
I'll buy one.
Good.
Where is the money?
It's in my half of the kitchen table.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I just go and got some money.
Good idea, madam. You made the right decision.
Okay. You know, you're a fantastic salesman woman.
Oh,
Yes, you have a fantastic sales technique that I've seen.
do you think so?
Yes, you've got the best sales technique that I've seen all day.
Thanks you.
Thank you, madam. Goodbye, madam.
Goodbye.
20, 30, 40, 65. Now that's the way to sell a vacuum cleaner.